everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to add chatter in Odoo19 form view. So currently you can see that we have created the form view and currently we haven't added the chatter. Now we need to add the chatter. So before moving on to adding of chatter, we need to know what is a chatter. Upon moving on to the university education, under the student application, you can see that we have a section called chatter where we can track anything and everything from here. So here you can find, we can just manage with sending of message, setting of the logs. Then we have the search over here, such as the setting of the activities and everything. So we just need to manage the chatter in our custom module. So to do with it, we can just move on to our um, PyCharm and let's choose the university application. So we know upon moving on to the chatter, you can see that the chatter just comes right after the sheet. So when you're just managing with the chatter, you just need to add it under the sheet. So let's see how can we add a chatter. So to add the chatter, move on to the PyCharm and you can choose the model in which you want to add the chatter. So here we can use Control Shift F and let's search for the chatter. Okay, so currently we are just going to filter based on um, Python files. So here I would like to search chatter. Okay, so this will show all the chatters which are available. Okay, so currently you can see that we have the chatter. Let's not with the Python file, we are going to choose based on the XML file, and here you can find the chatter. Okay, so I'll be adding the chatter, and once this chatter is done, copied, you can just move on to uh, the one you just want to add. So here we just want to add it under the sheet. So here is a here where the sheet ends, and I'll be adding the chat right after here. So let me move on and let me add the chatter. Okay, so before doing that, let me just give a comment that chatter, and yeah, now let's set everything, and afterwards you can just train Odoo19 in order to save the changes over here. So once it's done, you can move on to the apps, and here you can see that we are just going to make changes into our module. So let me click on upgrade, and you can see that if everything is well set, you can see you will be getting the result. Okay, so here we are getting the error. The error that we are getting over here is we haven't added these fields into our Python file. Okay, so here let's move on uh, to the PyCharm again, and here you can see that we have just given a field called message, follower IDs, and the activity ID as well as message IDs. Okay, so all these can be visible from here, like in the module. So you can see that in the students university application, all those fields is not added over here. So in order to add this, we don't need to specifically provide the fields, but we can just inherit the model over here, because the chatter is already a built-in feature in Odoo. So we don't need to create everything from scratch. As this one feature is an existing one, we can just inherit that feature. In order to inherit that, you need to provide inherit over here. Okay, so I'll be setting here as inherit equal to, and we just need to provide the model of the chatter. So to get the model of the chatter, we basically use the model mail dot thread over here. Okay, so I'll be just searching for mail dot thread. Okay, and let's see how it's defined in Odoo. So let's use Control Shift F, and you can see that the mail dot thread will be visible. So we just need to just search it under the Python files. So I'll be searching, and here you can see that inherit mail dot thread is being given over here. Okay, so once it's done, again what you have to do is you just need to run this. Okay, so I'm going to run Odoo 19 again over here. So from here, once you just rent the Odoo 19, now we just need to get the changes. So again, let's move on to the university education, and afterwards we just lose the connection. So here we again, when we just refresh this, here we are getting internal server error. It's because when we just inherit a model, we just need to define that model inside the manifest file. So I just want to define it in the manifest file. So first what we have to do is we can just search for the mail.thread. Okay, so from that we'll be getting an understanding to which module it belongs to. Okay, so here we can see that mail.thread, all these are inherited, and we just need to get name equal to mail.thread. Okay, so I'll be setting uh, name equal to mail.thread. So if you're not getting like this, you can just simply search this under the add-ons. Okay, you can just unfold this and we can just move on to the mail module. You would be able to find that we have the mail module. So afterwards, you can just get it. Okay, here we can find that we have the mail module. Inside mail module, we can just move on to the models, and under the models, we'll be having a model called mail thread. So as you just drag down here, you would be able to find the mail thread. Yes, we have the mail thread .py, and you can see it comes under mail module, right? So here you can find that we have the class mail thread, and we can also see that the name is mail thread, and this comes under the mail module. So under the dependency, we just need to define the module. Okay, so here I'll be just folding everything. Let's move on to our module, which is university education management, and there we can find the manifest file, right? So here we have the manifest file. Now we need to add the depends over here. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I'll be adding the depends over here. So right after the sequence, I'll be adding depends over here. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding providing the depends, you can simply search for the depends. So use Control Shift F, and you can see the depends in the manifest file. Okay, so currently, yeah, we are not getting like this. So if you have any doubt regarding that, either you can just use Control Shift F, but the other alternative is by just moving on to the any of the module manifest, and you would be able to see that here we have the depends. So under the depends, we just need to define like this. Okay, so first let me copy it from here. Let's move on to the depends of our module, and here let's paste it. Okay, yeah, let me paste it, and in this case we don't want everything, so I'll be correcting all the issues right now. Yes, we don't have we don't want the all these over here, such as the HR recruitment, all other depends. So let me remove everything, and once it's done, you can just provide it, and let me click on run, and let's see that whether we'll be getting the result or not. So let's see whether we'll be getting the result or not. So in this case, I would like to run the module. Here we are not getting, yeah. So let's see that we are going to the apps over here. Now we need to make changes, right? So for that, once we just move on to the apps, from there we need to upgrade our module in order to get the changes. Okay, so now what you have to do is you need to move on to the apps, and from the apps you can just upgrade the module. Okay, so once the module has been upgraded, you can see the dependencies module will be installed under the module. So still we are getting the error. So we need to find why we are getting the error. Still you can see that it is not having the field the activity IDs. Okay, so we just need to provide the activities IDs So activity is a model which is already available in Odoo. So we need to add activity model under the inherit. Okay. So for that we can again move on to the PyCharm. So from the PyCharm, I'll be moving on to the university education. So here you can find that we have the university application over here. And once you just move on to it, I'm going to add uh, the inherits of the activity. So as you just move on to inherits, you can just use Control Shift F in order to search the inherits. Okay. So currently you can see as I just search for the inherit, you will be getting lot of suggestions. So from here, I'll be just getting this. So this is how we need to define if we have multiple inheritance. So let me copy this. And if you just want to use the activity field over here, we can just inherit the model mail activity mixin. So I'll be setting like this. So currently we have inherited mail.thread as well as mail activity mixin. Okay, so once it's done, let's again run it. And as this comes under the mail module, we don't need to add any other modules under the depends. So let's move over here. And again, what we have to do is we need to upgrade everything, right? So for that, I'll be clicking on upgrade. And we can also update the app list, because here we have provided the module which is depending to our module, right? So in order to get that, we can also just upgrade the app list. So once it's done, you can see we just need to move into our university education management. So we need to wait for a while. Let me upgrade the module. So once you upgrade the module, and if everything is successfully given, you will be getting the result over here. Like if there is no error in the codes that we have provided, you will be getting the result. And you can just see that under this module in the apps, as you just move on to the module info, you can see that we have the technical data, right? So under the dependencies, you can find the mail module is currently being installed. And if the mail module is being installed, it can be also uh, visible over here. Like as it's a dependency module, it won't be showing as an application. Okay. And upon moving on to the application over here, you can see when you try to create a new application over here, you can also see that we have added the chatter for a custom module. So this is the traditional way in which the chatter is created, and this method is only followed till the version Odoo 17. And from Odoo 18, we don't need to provide all the codes under the XML. We only need to simply use a chatter tag. So let's move on to the PyCharm, and from here you can find that we have the the command. The codes which we have provided. Let me just remove everything from here. Okay, and I'm going to remove the chatter from here. Okay, so let's test it. It's been removed. So for that, I'll be just clicking on upgrade, and you can see that now the chatter will not be available under the university application. So we need to wait for a while in order to load everything into our database. So upon moving on to the application, you can see that now the chatter is no longer available. Now let's see how to create a chatter in Odoo 18 as well as in 19. So from Odoo 18 onwards, a new way is implemented to create the chatter. That is by simply using a chatter tag. So you can use the chatter over here. Like you can provide the chatter tag over here, and afterwards you can simply rent this, and all other things that we have given under the university application is same. So here you can see we have provided the mail.thread as well as mail activity mixin, and you only just need to use the chatter tag. And once you just rent this and upgrade the module, you'll be getting the result. So let's move on to the apps, and here you can see that I'm going to upgrade the module. Okay, so once you upgrade the module, you can see it over here. The chatter will be added into university application. Upon moving on to the applications, when you click on new, you can see that the chatter is being added. So both can be used, but this is the recommended way to use the chatter in Odoo 19.